Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive onto shopify.com. So this is the homepage as you can see, and before, let's know what is Shopify. Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So first of all, all you have to do is click over apply now. Once you do that, you will find other page which is apply to become a Shopify affiliate. So here we have earn commission by referring you or established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. So you click over sign up and you'll find here contract terms for Shopify. So you click over accept and you'll find here sign up and start earning. To get started, please sign up and create an account. You can use sign up with your email. We have also other options like Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn. So I will click over here and you will find this page. So you write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password, then you write your mobile phone and you get started by clicking over get started. Then you find this page, how would you categorize your business? Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. You have the first thing, social influencer, content and reviews, loyalty, rewards, deal, coupons, email, newsletter, search, comparison, network, technology solution, cross-audience monetization. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find this page, add social. You can add more than one account from each type of social platforms. We have here Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, which WeChat, and Weibo. Then we have here tell us about yourself. The first thing we have here individuals. Once you click over it, you have to write your account display name, your country and your region, your first street address, your second street address, your city, your zip code, then your time zone and your currency, and you click over submit. And if you click over company, you'll write your account display name, your company website, LinkedIn company page, country and region, mail address, second street address, city, zip code, time zone, and currency, and you click over submit. So if you come back, we have here become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn. Shopify plan referrals get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. We have a Shopify Pass Pro referrals earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then we have joined thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audience launch successfully business on Shopify while earning competitive referral commissions and elevating themselves as leaders in the industry. Then we have here are committed to success. And if you scroll down, we have a frequently asked questions. For example, we have what is the Shopify affiliate program? Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have what requirements do I need to meet to apply. The first one, we have to apply. You must own and run an active website, then have an established audience, and then create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then we have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. And the last one, it's have read and agrees to the Shopify partner program agreement. Then we have here how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How will referral tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about the merchants I refer? Then what are Shopify's brand guidelines? If you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. The first one we have here YouTube. So for example, we have this one, it's creating content, and share his link below and comment section. As you can see, you can just click over it and he will earn commission. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engage viewers and build trust. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have here TikTok. So TikTok drives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways by creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds. You can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your pure link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like Shopify fans to increase visibility. The platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visual showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. Visualizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share quick recommendations and utilize the link sticker for seamless access to your affiliate links. Additionally, creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way. Consistency and authentic engagement with your followers will help you build a loyal community that values your recommendations. So each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links. So experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.